Hello and welcome to 2018.
Hi, my name's Edward Plant.
I'm Rebecca Plant.
And we run the Business League, the event that you're coming to on Wednesday the 7th of February at Bond University.
Absolutely, super excited to see you, and I'm sure that our 90 plus members will be looking forward to shaking your hand as well. But Steve Scanlon is going to be our speaker and presenter for the first breakfast event of the year, and we are super pumped with what he has to share.
So we like to kick off the year in a big way for our events. We have about 21 events every year. Last year we had Dwayne Martins, the head of Amazonia, and 80 people in the room, and we're expecting similar sort of calibre for the Brisbane Entrepreneur of the Year for 2017, Steve Scanlon.
Now, Steve Scanlon has some really incredible experience in how to expand business, but he's had some great mentoring from people like Elon Musk from Tesla, also executives of Coca-Cola and Amazon, in which he's going to share some of the key tactics and strategies that they gave him to take his business out of immaturity and into one of the most profitable in Southeast Queensland right now.
So it's going to be a great breakfast. All you really need to know is bring your business cards, come ready to meet a heap of awesome business owners. Most of them are our members and they're top quality, and they give a lot. So get ready to meet people, learn a lot, and connect like you've never connected before.
We believe that the future of the city is actually in people like us, in business people who are out there making a positive economy and a positive contribution to society and to our city. So that's our aim for when we see you on Wednesday the 7th of February.
Doors open at 6:30, breakfast starts at 7 o'clock sharp. We'll be finished by 9, but hang around after to do some more networking. If you've got any questions, hit reply to the email. There'll be a map with location and where to park and everything. But we'll see you on Wednesday the 7th.
I'm Rebecca Plant.
And I'm Edward Plant.
See you then.